Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing this bulgur recipe with you. So I have this brand of bulgur here. You can use anyone. All bulgur is bulgur, and I'll be seasoning this like how we season up rice and peas. Guys, don't watch jerk sauce. It's not jerk sauce. It's my special blend season inside of this here. I'm going to be using some of that with my coconut milk. So come along with me. Let's make this bulgur. Okay guys, so this is our first step. I add the coconut milk. So I'm just going to season this now, allow it to boil up, and then we're going to wash the bulgur and place it in our seasoned coconut milk. So guys, these are some of the seasoning that we'll be using today, that we'll be adding to our bulgur. So I have country pepper here, some scallion thyme, a little salt. This is some Maggi all purpose. This is some of my special blend seasoning, and some black pepper and my blended seasoning. We shall be adding to the coconut milk for it to boil up, catch its flavor, its sweet aroma. Then I will be washing my bulgur and adding it to the pot, coming up in our next clip. So this is season up time. So now that we've added all of our bulgur, I'm going to stir it. I'm going to stir this. I'm going to cover this. You want to ensure that this is on low flame for it to steam. So basically you cook it just like you're cooking rice, because you can use it to replace rice. If you're no longer feeling for rice, or you think you're having too much rice, you can always use bulgur to replace rice. Okay. So here is our bulgur already, guys, and this is the consistency that I went after. Not too shelly and not too soft. So I'm just going to go ahead now and show you what I will serve this delicious bulgur with in my next upcoming clip. Stay tuned. So guys, this is what I am having mine with. So I went ahead and I prepared some sweet Jamaican curry goat and serve it with some fresh vegetables. You can always go ahead and have this sweet bulgur with whatever meal of your choice. Guys, thank you for staying tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay guys, I'm always here to bring those delicious, delightful meal, or tasty meal as I should say. Thank you guys for staying tuned. See you in my next video. Bye.